Hello friends, join me as we draw Tiddles the tortoise, Miss Hamster's pet. First, let's draw the shape of his head. His eyes. Then his lip. Let's draw the shape of his shell. Look, Tiddles opened his eyes. He's having fun. Do you feel the same way? I'm drawing his costal shell. Tortoises can't climb trees, although Tiddles can. How amazing! Even though they're slow walkers, but did you know that tortoises are speedy eaters? They feast themselves on fruits, grass, and leaves. Next, his tail. Then, his four legs. Tiddles the tortoise is kept in a box so that Miss Hamster can keep an eye on him. Somehow he always manages to escape. And now, let's add color to Tiddles the tortoise together. Let's add a green color to his head. Are you enjoying yourself? That is excellent. A brown color to his inner shell. A pale shade of brown to his costal shell. A brown color to the rest of his outer shell. Tortoises carry their homes on their backs, like superheroes with built-in shields. It is similar to having a comfortable and safe haven that they can go to at any time. And a dark shade of green to this feet and tail. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.